Oh, hello, hi, look at what we have today. We have a box, okay? Guess what's in it? There's smoothies. So, this video is going to be a smoothie subscription service review. They're called Revive Superfoods. First thing is first, they sent me this box. All opinions will be true. That's like how we do it. That's how we like to do it on this channel. But basically what it is a subscription service to little smoothies, like daily servings of smoothies. And you can get 9, 12, 24 in a week, or if you want to do the monthly one, you could do, I think, what is it, 12? Yeah, you can do 12 or 24 in a box. This is what we have right here. I am so excited to unbox this. And for some reason, these flavors, when I looked them on the website, I was like, wow, these kind of stand out. They're keto. I don't do the keto diet, but if you guys do, more power to you. I know it's vegan. I just feel like it's super healthy, and I'm so excited about this. Again, this is sponsored, so I was talking to them, back and forth for a little bit. But I have been talking about this to all my friends, like at work and everything, like how excited I am to try this. And I'm already like trying to be like, oh, you guys should check it out. And I haven't even tried it yet. So I hope it's worth the hype and the excitement I'm putting behind it. But let's go ahead and open it. This is what the box looks like. It feels cold. When it came to my apartment, they usually put things in the fridge. So here we are. Okay, open it. Key knife, where are you? Oh wait, we got scissors behind us. Nah, just kidding. Who's hyped? I'm hyped. Eat. Boom. 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 Okay, so this is what it looks like as soon as you open it. So let's tear into it. I'm so excited. And this is what the inside looks like. They're just different containers, and let's pick them out one by one, and I'll tell you what flavors I got. So I have 9, and this box is very cold. You can hear it. Okay, so this is liquid gold. This is what they all look like. So basically, you just take this, you put it into a blender. Guys, hold on. Your girl bought a whole magic blender for this. Magic bullet for this. It's cheap, like it. Okay, let's continue. The thing that stood out to me with this brand in general is that if I was to make this smoothie, I feel like I would spend more money just because there's so many ingredients to it, if that makes sense. It's just cheaper to get different flavors with more flavors that I'm interested in trying. Matcha maker. I want to try this one so badly. This one is hint of mint. You can feel how cold these are. My hands are cold. Okay, this one is called the grass is greener. Healthy. And they're made in Canada. My plan with these is to make them in the morning before I go to work, and this is what I'm going to be snacking on in the morning. Also, cool thing about these containers is, if you can see, there's a little straw thing you have. So what you do is take this, pour it in the blender, blend it all up, and then put the ingredients back into the cup and put a straw through it, and then you're good to go and you can throw out the cup. So it's like less waste. This is called Morning Mocha. Blue cacao. Acai twist. Dragon. If you like dragon fruit, heck yeah. That's kind of nice. Wow, you can actually see, it has real stuff in it. It's nice that this lid is not the only thing that keeps it closed. I appreciate that. Last one I have in here is Strawberry Zen. Gluten-free, no sugar added, dairy-free, plant-based. Guys, come on. Okay, that's all I got. There's genuinely a couple flavors that I saw online that I really, really want to try, but I am hyped. I totally could see myself genuinely, if this was not a thing, me going out of my way to buy it because it seems really exciting. The really cool part is that I get 60% off in order. You guys have 60% off, so use my coupon code Lippy60. I like how that sounds, Lippy60. Okay, use that code because you want to try it, 60% off. We love a good deal here. And yeah, this is what they look like. I'm really hyped. I'm gonna put these all in my freezer because I don't want them to go bad. But my game plan is that whenever I'm hungry or whenever I'm ready to have one of these, I'm just gonna film it. I'm not hungry right now. What I'm assuming is going to happen is that I'm gonna make these in the morning and then just do a taste test for a couple of them. And so, yeah, that's about it. Okay, let's cut to me actually making these.
Hey guys, it's Libby, and today is Tuesday, the day after MLK Day. So yesterday we had the day off, and today we are working. So today we are trying a smoothie, and I'm gonna be using my iPhone because it's just easier this way. But I am so excited. It's gonna be a healthy day. We're just gonna go see how it goes. So let's just go in the kitchen. Sorry about the lighting. The sun's still coming up. Let's do this. And if anyone cared, this is my outfit of the day. Booties, snakeskin pants, a sweater, hoops. That's about it. I was kind of proud of it for whatever reason. Okay, smoothie time.
Okay,
We're in the kitchen, trying to be kind of quiet because my roommate's home. But today I grabbed the hint of mint. So all we're gonna do is open this up. Okay, this looks super healthy. Just gonna pull this out. I washed all my Magic Bullet stuff last night. I'm gonna pour this in, hopefully without spilling. Okay, here we go. Okay, so guess who ran out of milk last night? It was me. It's currently 8 in the morning, so my roommate has some. We usually never share anything, so I'm literally gonna Venmo her right now for this because I never do this. But to make this video go, the show must go on. So Kristen, thank you for real. So I got lactose-free whole milk. She's lactose intolerant. We love that. We don't love that. Okay. I'm terrible at adulting. So I decided to come in my room to review it, so let's try. Tastes healthy, I will say that. So I wish this was sweeter. In general, I really like the concept of it, and I definitely like how healthy it is, but this flavor, I don't know if it's just this flavor, but it's not gonna be the one that I'm like, I'm really craving this in the morning. I just wish it was sweeter, but again, this has no sugar added to it. So I think if I use almond milk, I would like it a lot better. Obviously, we had a whole milk situation this morning, so tomorrow I'm gonna fix that. I'm hoping for a better flavor that I personally like tomorrow. So day 1. Hey guys, it is day 2 of this challenge. So here's my outfit real quickly, but we are in more of a rush today. So let's go ahead and make the smoothie and try it out. The dragon fruit one, yes, I'm gonna get this one today. I'm hoping it is sweeter. Yesterday's was definitely good, but it was very healthy tasting. So I kind of want something that tastes a little bit better. And my hair's on that, that's great. So let's get it prepped. I went to the store and I got almond milk. It says hint of honey, almond breeze, and has vanilla. So it's something a little bit sweeter. Here it is. I will be adding a straw once I get to work, but my good straws are at work, like the ones that are thicker. So I recommend having a straw that has a bigger opening than a smaller one, so if there are chunks, it can come through. But let's try it. I don't know if it's the milk or this mixture, but I really like this one. It tastes a lot better, I think, than it did yesterday. Again, yesterday's tasted healthier, but this one just tastes a lot better. I think it has sweeter fruits in it. And honestly, that dragon fruit flavor really comes in. Okay, not mad at this one. Hey there, it's Sophie. We are on day 3. It's our final day of trying out this whole smoothie thing. And I need to get to work, so let's do it. And if anyone cares, this is my outfit. Wow, cool, great, smoothie. Blue. This is the blue cacao, which looks like a chocolate blueberry one. Here it is. I'm not gonna lie, I wish I had a better blender, but this is today's. It's very, very dark. It made a lot, actually, more than this cup full, but I also added more milk so it would blend easier. So let's just try it. Very smooth though. It seems like one of the smoother ones compared to my other smoothies. I'm kind of shook. It's a lot sweeter than I thought it'd be. Honestly, I thought this one wasn't gonna be as sweet, but it's really good. You can get both hints of like the chocolate and the blueberry. I'm into it.
Oh, hello there. We are at the end of this video. How is everyone doing? Okay, so the lighting has been so different throughout this whole video. The audio's been different. It's because I've been filming in different lights. I've been using my phone for some of it, so I'm sorry. Okay, let's dive in to my 3 endpoints. Number 1, do I recommend this product? Would I buy this product with my own money? Would I tell my friends about it? Yes, absolutely I would. I already have. I think it's a really great concept. Number 2, the taste of it. Let's talk about it. I think it does not taste the most sweetest, luxurious. Like, it's not a milkshake. It's definitely like a healthy smoothie. Like, a lot of them don't have sugar in them, and a lot of them are keto. And so that was definitely a adjustment for me personally. I'm a girl that kind of goes towards those sweet drinks. I drink a chai tea latte, like, come on. And so a couple of hacks that I've definitely thought about is adding the almond milk. So that was a really good plus for me when I changed that. It made everything better. But also adding honey if I feel like it needs to be a little bit sweeter. I think it'll take it to the next level for me. So next time when I make those, I would definitely add honey to it. Okay, number 3, my takeaway. Get a good blender while you're doing this. My blender, I got the magic bullet for this whole video. I liked it, but it needed some more horsepower because I definitely felt like it was kind of crapping out on me at certain points, and I needed to like really blend, and then I'd be drinking the smoothie and like it'd be smooth, and then I had like a chunk of KO, and I'd be like, yo, we don't want that. And I felt like I was getting things in my teeth because my blender wasn't like breaking the ingredients down. You know what I'm saying? Not a cute look. Okay, well, those are my final thoughts. This is all I have to say about the video. Again, if you're interested in this product, you can get yours down below. I have a coupon code, 60% off. Use it, don't use it, do whatever makes you happy. I'm just here to give you an honest review. So, yeah, that's where it is. This is what I got. Can't talk. Okay, bye, guys. Oh, wait, hit that subscribe button, comment, like, that bell icon, notification button. You know, like the normal things you do for YouTube? Really appreciate it. I am so sore. Okay, that's about it for this video. Cool. I'm watching TikToks too much.